Today's video, we're going on the trials bike, and if you can see it out the back window here, and we're with Paddy as well.
How we doing?
So we're going to head up to Tory Hill now and get some footage and some playtime on the trials bike. 2, 1. Oh, the battery, yeah, the battery was low on that one.
How did that footage turn out?
Yeah, I think it turned out well. I thought it was gone, the disconnection. The next minute I seen you coming down and the thing was following you, and I was like, ah, lass, this is class.
Oh no, I got caught up at the top. A fucking tree went through the front wheel.
I seen you were off it there for a bit, yeah?
Yeah, I was just, that's just horsing it through, just ignorant.
Really.
I actually enjoyed that rattle up there now.